Did you know that 80% of your research progress likely comes from 20% of your working time? The Pareto principle, often called the 80-20 rule, can revolutionize your productivity when you apply it to energy management. One of my PhD students tracked her writing output and discovered that writing between 7 and 9 a.m. consistently produced nearly 75% of her usable daily word count, despite representing only 25% of her writing time. To find your high leverage periods, log all activities and rate them on both time invested and value produced for 2 weeks. Ask yourself, during which time periods do you produce your best work? Once you identify these patterns, restructure your schedule to protect these high productivity periods. This simple implementation step can dramatically accelerate your progress on your research or any other deep work. Have you noticed any patterns in when or where you do the most productive work? Read the blog post to see how the Pareto principle is applied to research. There's a link in the description box below this video.